Tezos value expectation is one of the most famous hunt terms since XTZ unleashed ruin among crypto bears over the most recent few months. Before we plunge into the stray pieces of this Tezos cost forecast, let's rapidly check what's really going on with XTZ. Tezos introduction. Tezos is a novel blockchain, one more Ethereum executioner that was first proposed in a paper delivered in August 2014 with additional particulars reported in a white paper delivered in Sep. 2014. The Tezos blockchain is planned with an emphasis on chain administration, permitting token holders to decide in favor of proposed changes to usefulness to try not to fork the organization. In 2015, the pioneers, Kathleen and Arthur Breitman, laid out an organization called Dynamic Record Arrangements, which was liable for composing the underlying code for Tezos. At the center of this codebase is a self-revising convention, a framework to formalize proposing, deciding in favor of, and executing changes to the usefulness of the organization. When a proposition has been made, holders of Tezos tokens can cast a ballot with a weighting of 1 vote for every token. Tezos blockchain utilizes a changed rendition of a designated evidence of stake framework where stakers, called cooks inside the organization, can secure their tokens in return for the capacity to approve blocks. In Tezos' more fluid DPoS framework, clients can assign tokens to pastry specialists without moving proprietorship. Compensations for approving blocks are dispersed to cooks as new XTZ tokens, with a corresponding measure of the prize disseminated to wallets that have designated tokens to the dough puncher. This empowers more modest symbolic holders to take part in the approval process on the off chance that they hold not exactly the expected sum to turn into a full pastry specialist. Our XTZ token value expectation for 2022. It is very evident that digital currency value expectations ought to be believed with some hesitancy. However, there are elements to pay special attention to that will more than likely have an orientation on the future cost of the more extensive cryptographic money market. This incorporates the level and nature of guidelines forced in overwhelming digital currency markets, the level of cryptographic money reception in the approaching year, and past the level of development in the cryptographic money fates market, utility of tokens, and the capacity of the hidden innovation to take care of genuine issues. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unsurpassed high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2022 1110 plus 6.17% $1552022 1111 plus 7.02% $1562022 1112 0.04% $1462022 1113 plus 7.05% $1562022 1114 plus 6.07% $1552022 1115 plus 0.31% $1472022 1116 plus 0.95% $1472022 1117 plus 0.93% $1472022 1118 plus 0.80% $1472022 1119 plus 0.25% $1462022 1120 2.42% $1.43 with respect to XTZ. The ubiquity of their marking instrument and its job as a cost driver can't be sufficiently stressed. This is the significant positive cost force for Tezos as increasingly more cryptographic money trades branch out into marking as administration. Tezos is consistently the main coin that is presented as a marking item. Coinbase, yet Sex.io and presently Binance have all entered this area of crypto industry, and every one of them currently offer Tezos as the first marking coin on their foundation. Tezos cost expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the principal quarter of 2022 preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 NA 1.92% $1.43 2022 DEC 3.30% $1.41 2023 Jan plus 8.85% $1.59 2023 Feb plus 12.13% $1.64 2023 Blemish plus 18.70% $1.73 2023 APRA plus 17.86% $1.72 2023 May plus 31.48% $1.92 2023 Jun plus 30.85% $1.91 2023 Jul plus 45.02% $2.12 2023 AW plus 44.60% $2.11 2023 SE plus 57.66% $2.30 2023 AW plus 54.50% $2.26 XTZ value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees XTZ coming to $14.90 in 2025. What will XTZ be worth in 5 years? The cost of XTZ in 5 years could lie around $3.45. Tezos value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Tezos will be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees Tezos coming to $37.24 in 2030. What Tezos will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Tezos coming to $74.49 in 2040. Will Tezos supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Tezos won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Tezos at any point reach $10? Indeed, Tezos could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Is Tezos worth purchasing? We are promoters of modestly unsafe financial planning. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with tremendous potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, Tezos merits purchasing. Is Tezos a wise venture? Tezos is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Tezos be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $1.30. In the long haul, it could leap to $37.24 or considerably higher. For what reason will Tezos succeed and become more expensive? Tezos has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it.